welcome to the Beauty Spot. Today I'm going to show you how to prep your lashes before the eyelash extension procedure. The first thing you want to do is use some lint-free applicators and a cleanser that is specifically made for eyelash extensions. Now we're going to flush away the rest of the cleanser with the saline solution. I like to buy big bottles from the pharmacy and I poke a little hole in it, which means there's a nice stream coming out, which then can thoroughly clean the lash line. And I catch any of the rest of the saline solution with 2 cotton rounds and I kind of move the client's head on the side. Next up I'm going to dry the lashes with a handheld fan, and then now it's time to apply the eye pad. You get a much better application if you do not have the client's eyes wide open, because once they close the eyes and the iPad is applied, they will slip. So make sure you kind of just gently lift the upper lid. And then this step is optional. If I have a client with really oily skin or really oily lashes, I like to use a primer to remove any oils that might be left over. And then it's time to prep your client's forehead. Sometimes I use a hairband. I think that was just in the washing at this stage, so I just used a tissue. And I get my little pillow I got it from the airport actually, and I put a pillow cover over it, and that really elevates my lashes. The lash tile is from Bunnings and makes lashing so much easier. So if this gave you some value, then please visit my Facebook page, That Beauty Spot Brisbane, and like my YouTube channel as well. Thank you guys.